Hi everyone, this is Tammy. For today's project, I'm just using this chunky wood rectangle that I got from the Dollar Tree, and some Easter egg prints that I printed on mulberry paper that's in my Etsy shop. And for starters, I should have used a new bottle of my Antique Wax Waverly paint, but I didn't want to waste any, so I just had to get the last little bit out of my jar. But so it took me a little bit longer to do this than I would have liked. But anyway, I'm just using a wet baby wipe and putting that all on there, on the sides and on the top. Just kind of wiping it roughly on there. I didn't want a thick layer or anything. That's why the baby wipes are so nice to apply it with. And I just want to dry that real quick using my heat tool, which is so nice. Now I'm using some vintage white paint by Folkart, and I'm just brushing some on the top layers all. And being real careful not to get the hang string, but it worked out just fine, not taking it off. Using my heat tool again to dry it real quick. Setting that aside. Now I'm using this little water brush pen that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's so nice. You just put water in the little barrel, and then you just go around your little image and with the water, and it makes it so it can tear nice. Leaves that rough kind of fuzzy edge all around your image that you're going to use, and I love that look. So I'll be able to use those other prints on something else, and I'm just sanding the top part off just lightly, getting off all that fuzz, and applying that gently on there and making sure all my edges are applied down there really well, adhered. And I think it's so cute just like this. I could have left it like this, but you know me, I have to keep going. So I'm using my Distress ink and just going clear around the edges. I really like that roughed up dark edges just for more dimension. And then I'm using this little tag that I made up with just some craft cardstock. And it's tiny, so I just wrote one 3-letter word, hop. And I used a regular Sharpie marker, and then I used a white chalk marker for some little accents around the letters, and then I'm distressing the edges of that as well. Now I'm using some pale yellow baker's twine that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then some regular jute twine as well, making two little bows, and putting one on top of the other, and then just tying it off in the back a little bit. And now I'm just going to glue that at the top where the hang string is. And I'm just I couldn't decide if I needed twine on my tag or not, but I decided to put a little bit. Thought it'd be easier to glue it on there. Put a little dab of glue on there and hanging it at an angle. Cutting off the excess twine, and then I had to look around for my little button. Had a little random green button that just kind of finished it off. And that's it for this project today. I think it turned out really cute, and I hope it inspires you to make something really cute and fun. Thanks for watching.